Today I'm gonna showing you how to add password on Windows 11 and how to remove password. Also how to change password on Windows 11. First of all, you have to click start button from the left corner, then search here sign in, SIGN space IN in, sign in. Then sign in option, system settings appear here. You have to click over sign in option. Then search password, then select password. Use a password to sign in to Windows apps and services. Click add. Now give a new password. After that, confirm your new password or retype your password and give a password hint. What type of password it is. Then click finish. After clicking finish, give a restart to your laptop or PC. I am giving restart. Now I seeing that it asked me to put password to sign in. After putting password, click enter. Now step 2. Now I will show you how to change password. Similar process. Then sign in. Double click over sign in. Then similarly click over password. Then over change. Then type your current password. After typing current password, type a new password. I'm typing here a common password. You can choose a strong password for your laptop or PC. Then I am giving again a password hint, number 2. Then next, then click over finish. Now give a restart of type your second password. Here I am typing my first password, so it gives me password hint number 2. So I am typing second password. Now I am showing you how to remove password from your laptop or PC. Similarly, click over password, then change, then type your current password. Here you have to keep it all field blank. Okay, then press next or click next button, then finish. Now give a restart again. Now seeing that welcome, my laptop password has been removed successfully. So that's all. Thanks for watching.